Hello guys, this is Vaish. So today is April 24, episode number 141, and because it's a Monday, we'll do history MCQs. Okay, so please watch all the Plums episode done by different teachers. Each day is a different subject, and this is the WhatsApp number to contact me to get the foundation and also free lectures of every textbooks for UPSC. So these are the ongoing playlist which is happening every day, and almost every textbook is getting completed. More and more likes and comments you have to give so that we can do the next chapter. Okay, we are not asking for any other support, only likes and comments put under the videos and you will get more and more episodes. These are the test series for 2023 batch. I'll explain at the end of this video. Question number 1. Which of the following are true? Harappa is located on the bank of river Jhelum. Mohenjo-daro is located on the bank of river Indus. Ropar is located on the bank of river Sutlej. Sculpture of dog chasing a deer in bronze metal was found in Harappa. Okay, this is directly taken from the Nitin Singhania Art and Culture textbook. Okay, so those who are enrolled to our test series will get detailed PDFs of all these questions and answers with detailed solutions. But others can learn samples from Plums here. Okay, so here one basic fact, if you know, it's a very easy question. Harappa is not on river Jhelum. It is river Ravi. It is written in your NCERT class 6th. It is there in NCERT class 12th. Then it is there in R.S. Sharma Ancient History textbook and also in Nitin Singhania. 4 sources are there, or even Tamil Nadu textbook it's there. So these many books are there and still you don't know. This means your preparation is very weak. Okay, so please study from good sources. So you can eliminate 1. So 2 and 3 automatically becomes correct. Mohenjo-daro is on river Indus and Ropar is on river Sutlej. Okay, and this is also a fact given in the Nitin Singhania textbook. Okay, deer chasing dog chasing a deer in bronze metal. This sculpture is got from Harappa. So answer is C234. So Harappa, you know, is in present day Pakistan on the bank of river Ravi, and 2 rows of 6 granaries with big platform, stone symbol of Lingam and Yoni, mother goddess sculpture, wheat and barley in wood mortar, dice, copper scale, mirror. Okay, this I'm telling because UPSC used to ask like these kind of things are found in which location. Okay, so moreover, sculpture of dog chasing a deer in bronze metal and a red sandstone male torso. This and all you would have seen in the textbook. Picture also is given in NCERT textbook. Okay, then Mohenjo-daro is in present day Pakistan on river Indus. Then there is a citadel, there is a great bath. Okay, in Mohenjo-daro movie of Hrithik Roshan you can see all these things. And then great granary, post-cremation burial, sculpture of a bearded priest, famous bronze statue of a dancing girl, and Pashupati seal. Okay, these are all very important. Mohenjo-daro is the most important site of Harappa. Okay, and Ropar is located on the banks of river Sutlej in Punjab. Dog buried with human in oval pit burials. Copper axe. Then Ropar in the first Harappan site of independent India. Okay, meaning which was discovered. So first site to be excavated after independence. Question number 2. Which site is called the Manchester of Indus Valley Civilization? Okay, Manchester is a place in UK, in London. So Manchester of Indus Valley Civilization is like Dholavira, Rakhigari, Lothal or Chanudaro. So again, all these places, as I told, in the same sources. NCERT class 6, NCERT class 12, R.S. Sharma and Nitin Singhania, you can find the answer to this. So for all that, free lectures are also there in my channel. NCERT class 12 is not there, that I'll start soon. So here, answer is C, Lothal. Okay, so you know, Manchester is considered the first industrialized city in the full world itself. Lothal also was kind of like that. And cotton and textile industries are also a popular thing. So if you see, Lothal, important site for naval trade, dockyard, rice husk, fire altar, painted jar, modern day chess, terracotta figures of horse and ship, instruments for measuring 45, 90 and 180 degree angles, practice of burial, all these things. Okay, so even though you see this figures of horses, okay, or horse like animal, as per UPSC's answer key which came in 2018 or 19, Indus Valley people are unaware or they don't know anything about the horse. Okay, that is what UPSC confirms. Okay, so you don't believe the movies and all where it's shown. Okay, in movies, Harappan civilization, they are showing they are riding on the horses and all. But as per UPSC's answer key, they were unaware of the horse. Okay, so in answer also, you should not mark it. Now, which of the following Indus Valley sites are matched correctly with their locations? Okay, Balathal, Rajasthan, Banavali, Haryana, Balu, Pakistan. Okay, so just similar names I picked up and put a match the following: 2, 3 only, 1, 3 only, 1, 2 only, 1, 2, 3. So this one you have to know each fact, else you cannot solve this. Okay, Banavali, Haryana, I think most of you know already. So you need 2 in the answer. So this will go away, but still it's difficult. So Balatal is also in Rajasthan. That is also true. So 1 and 2 are correct. Okay, so this also gone, this also gone. But Balu in Pakistan, that is wrong. So answer becomes 1, 2 only. C, 1, 2 only. Okay, because that Balu place is also in Haryana, same like Banawali. Okay, so here various plant remains have been found. Earliest evidence of garlic, okay, in Haryana. Then Balatal and Kalibangan are locations in Rajasthan. Bangle factory, toy carts, bone of camel. Camel they were aware. Decorated bricks, citadel and lower town, fire altar. These kind of things are there. Then in Haryana we have this dried up Saraswati river. Findings like again toy plow, barley grains, lapis lazuli is a mineral, a rock kind of thing, a gem kind of thing. Then fire. Okay, so these are the important things about these places, and all these are from Nitin Singhania. Okay, all 3 questions which I showed you. Now this one is a current affair. Excavations in Kiladi was seen in news. It is located in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Manipur, Haryana. So Kiladi, if you a little bit like a serious aspirant you are, you will know that it's a kind of a South Indian name. Okay, so Kiladi, with that South Indian name you can eliminate these 2, and here answer is actually Tamil Nadu. Okay, so answer is B, Tamil Nadu. So it is a hamlet near Madurai city. Okay, Madurai is an important city for the old Pandya dynasty. It is along the banks of river Vaigai. The Archaeological Survey of India started its excavation in 2014. Evidence was found that the civilization at Kiladi, that is Sangam Age civilization, is older than we thought before. Earlier, it was believed that Sangam era was 300 BC, but the excavations revealed that Sangam era was like around 800 BC. So controversies are there, and today ASI has put an end to the controversy, finalizing that Sangam Age dates at 800 BC. So ASI conduct excavations in 4 to 5 phases. During the Kiladi excavation, did not receive proper fund, so they had to stop it in multiple times. And there are other party related controversies also, like they are again doing this North India versus South India and all these things. Okay, if it is found that Sangam is very old, then it becomes older than the other civilizations and all. So that is why they are opposing. That kind of controversies are there. So these are all not done by like the highest level of leadership and all. There will be local leaders of parties of even BJP or Congress, and these people will simply create controversy and stay in the news and limelight and TV debates. So these kind of things you don't have to worry. Okay, these things. So criticism, Hindutva politicians associated with central government are not liking the fact that Tamil culture was older than thought before. This is the controversy. Now last question. Which of the following are true about Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar? It is presented annually to artists above the age of 40. Every year, a maximum of 10 artists are presented with the award. The awards are presented by the Union Minister of Youth Affairs. So options are 1 only, 1 2 only, 1 3 only, none of these. So here they are asking for true. So if you know basic things about this award, it's actually given annually. So you would have kept on seeing it in news every single year if you are preparing properly for UPSC. So here it is actually not above the age of 40, it is below the age of 40. So 1 goes away and you directly get the answer, none of these. Okay. It's not maximum of 10 artists and it is not by the Youth Affairs Ministry. So if you see the details, below 40, and this year also like 33 artists were given. So there is no count like only 10 people will be given. Presented by the Sangeet Natak Academy. Winners receive 25,000 cash prize. It is given since 2006 by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism. So and who is this Ustad Bismillah Khan? He was a famous Shehnai musician. He was one of the few musicians in the country to receive Bharat Ratna. Before him, musicians M.S. Subbalakshmi and Ravi Shankar were honored with the award before him, and he was the 3rd to receive the honor. Okay, so all these people have got it. Now, Sangeet Natak Academy was established by the Education Ministry, okay, not by the Culture Ministry, only Education Ministry in India in 1952. The main objective of the academy is to promote and preserve the cultural heritage of the country, presented by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism. So 19 artists from Northeast has won the award. The award was presented for the years 2019, 2021 and all together. Total 102 awards were selected. The list was finalized in 22, however, are being presented now. Okay, so it became delayed. All these 3 years combined, they gave the award now. Okay, so it's for many kind of instruments, not just one kind of instrument. So these are the 5 questions for today, and these are the packages. And today's questions, as I told, it's taken from this Nitin Singhania test, meaning in this pack also some questions were taken from, and then this current affair pack we took one question. So like that we have done a mix of things, and if you enroll to this, you will get detailed PDF which will have questions, answers and explanations. Okay, so this is like unlimited kind of learning, and it's like a soft copy. Because, so it will be unlimited validity also. The PDF will be with you. Even if you fail this year, you can use it next year also. So like this, okay, these are the individual test names I've grouped and told: current affairs, polity, full test, geography, economy, environment, lots are there. Okay, so more you practice, you will easily get 100 plus marks, and again you will come to thank us for teaching you the right things at the right time. Okay, so I'll wind up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.